Seems like it's been forever. You've been gone. She said some days that I feel like shit, and some days I wanna quit and just be normal for a bit. I don't understand why you have to always be gone. I get along, but the trips always feel so long. And find myself trying to stay by the phone, cause your voice always helps me not to feel so alone. But I feel like an idiot, working my day around the call that I pick up. I don't have much to say, and so I want you to know it's a little fucked up that I'm stuck here waiting, at times debating, telling you that I've had it with you in your career. Me and the rest of the family are here, sick of singing. Where did you go? Miss you so. Seems like it's been forever. You've been gone. Please come back home. Please come back home. Please come back home. You know the place that you used to live. You used to barbecue burgers and ribs. Used to have a little party every Halloween with candy by the pile. Now it's like you only stop by every once in a while. Shit. Find myself trying to fill my time with anything that keeps the thought of you from my mind. I'm doing fine and I'm planning. Keep it that way, and you can call me if you find that there's something to say. And I'ma tell you, it's a little fucked up that I'm stuck here waiting, at times debating, telling you that I've had it with you in your career. Me and the rest of the family here are sick of singing.